Alright guys, what is up? Today we are looking for longs, as you can see, Asian manipulation, and hopefully followed by London reversal. Now, shit has changed. We now have daylight savings. What does that mean? Basically, London session is now at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. So it's right now 5:58. London opens at 6 p.m. It's pretty fucking weird. But, I mean, it is what it is. Low-key. It definitely is weird. I was literally looking at the markets since 4, and I was ready to trade at 5. And I was like, wait a second. Doesn't market... So, yeah. Pretty annoying, but that's okay. What are we looking for? Well, on the high time frame, it does look like we're going to get a reaction down. And, I mean, we still might, but I reckon we're going to want to go up. We hopefully can not disrespect this gap, like, close above it. That'd just be really nice. Nice hourly close. And, I mean, we do have New York session low. This isn't really a key level here. And we do have Asian. This isn't session low, but it's basically Asian low. So we can get rid of these things right here. Bang. Bang. We have some nice low resistance liquidity on the low time frame. And, yeah, I mean, we probably should see a blue candle at some point. On the 30-minute, that's for sure. 15-minute looking really nice. But yeah, our bias for today is bullish, and low-key just feels very weird. Everything's pushed. So, I don't know. I guess we just gotta adapt to that, which is fine. What are we looking for? Market hasn't opened yet. 20 seconds to market open. But what we're looking for is a break of structure on the 5-minute, then a continuation into that bitch. Bang. Hopefully we can make some good money today. The only concern that I have is since on the hourly, technically we haven't manipulated anything, okay? Which is fine, but, technically it's just consolidation, right? So what that could mean is we push up, take all of this out, and then shoot down, which is not that bad. That means we definitely can take longs. But that means it might be short. But hopefully, what I want to be looking for is we push down and then go up. But we'll have to see what happens. And, yeah. As long as we stick to our rules, we should get a nice entry for for longs. If not, then we can go for shorts. But, yeah, that's how it's looking. Market just opened. We'll see how hourly closed. Hourly closed pretty nicely. But we're shooting down quite a lot, which is pretty normal for market open. It's definitely going to be different. Everyone's, just hopped on 6 p.m. I think it's not the first day. So, but this is definitely the first day for me. We do have a gap we might want to push into on the hourly, which is also nice. I haven't actually looked at the high. I haven't looked out. Yeah, so it's looking pretty good, and I don't reckon we go down more. I don't reckon. I mean, look at that. Swept out liquidity. We've technically got a bit of a reaction up. So we'll have to see what. But I'm excited. Feels weird. Daylight savings is weird, bro. And I had school today. Oh, bro. School is... School's school. I mean, school will be school. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, school is alright. I mean, we did take out this, mate. It's a form of manipulation. Oh, bro, I gotta put out a vlog. I haven't put out a vlog in 3 years. Ugh, I'm actually lame as shit. Who do I think I am? Not uploading vlogs? Dude. I gotta stop yawning. Oh, crazy. Bro, I always have something to talk about when I upload, when I, am trading. Always something crazy in the day. So, my dog Cecil, in the crate sleeping. We took him out, right? He went on his first little walk. He didn't go very far. We went on his first walk. Instantly, because there's a sausage dog. Everyone loves him. Everyone loves the sausage dogs. They're cute as the little baby and whatever. We took him out, and literally we walked, this is my house, and we walked this far, crossing the road. Alright, we just took out another draw. Crossing the road. Guess what happened? A car already pulls up, and I I think it was, you know, whatever. But they pull up, and it was two girls, and because my brother was walking in, two girls pulled up, and they're like, "Hey, can I pet your dog?" And then they just started taking selfies with him, patting him. You know, it was cool as. And then another car kind of like stopped while they were driving to have a look at the dog. Basically, our dog's famous, low key, which is funny. But bro, if you're gonna get a sausage dog, be aware of walking them. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. Okay, that's still a night. Oh wait, what? Is that New York High? That's New York High. All right, so that's a draw we can go to, because if we know, but we're just fucking rallying up, bro. About to be 10 minutes into market open. Might just chill. But we are pushing up here, and we've taken out, if we take out Asian session high this fast, that definitely is leading me to look for, you know, potential shorts, but, you know, we'll see, because it's looking like a beautiful uptrend. We're still bullish. Oh shit, we might even take out our last floor. Hey, cause it's literally yesterday, bro. What? Dude. Yesterday, no, sorry, not yesterday, like a week, yeah, like 3 days ago price action. What is this? This happened on Friday, dude. Come on. Oh yeah, it's so bright now. Usually at 6 it would be dark, but now it's daylight savings. So it seems like it's 4 p.m. No, it's 6:10 p.m. Okay guys, we filled in this gap completely. We haven't hit equilibrium yet, which is really annoying, but if we can get a reaction out of this gap and go up and have a nice closure, that is an entry right there, and we'll also wait for a 1 minute break of structure back to the upside. And yeah, we'll be able to enter into longs from there. So we'll see how that goes. Break structure, fill in the gap, reaction, bang. And that'll be our entry for longs. I've marked out these two gaps. I'll mark this one out better. Okay, we've completely filled in this gap. So that is a good thing. We just need to wait for a hopefully final reaction, which we might even disrespect this. Oh no, we can't really disrespect anymore. We've filled it pretty much, but we might even come down to fill this gap in. Because technically, if we disrespect this gap, it doesn't matter too much, because then we have this gap. It's like fair value gap stacking. Oh, I'm gonna get a haircut next week. What should I get? If you guys are watching it to this point, let me know what haircut I should get. If you guys think like some style to me, I usually get like the skin fade, low to mid skin fade with a drop fade on the back. And I think it's pretty tough, but you guys will have to let me know in the comment section below. You guys have to let me know. And also, if you want to if you want to let me know even more, what chart colors are better? So, wait. So I have these, right? Okay, so this gray or this kind of darker gray. Which one do you guys like more? Oh, sorry, this gray. I don't know what my mind is kind of thinking. I like both of them a lot, but I feel like I might like this one more, just because it makes these pop out more, and like, I don't know, just let me know. I love chart colors. Just gotta wait for 5 minute clears. 5 minute clears. Lopex, Lopex. What? Yeah. Dude, patience is waiting, dude. No FOMO, as you can tell. Not fearing of missing out of anything. Watch out. We'll enter that bitch. Fuck, why is this locked in? I haven't opened. What is this? Okay. Alright, bitches. More risk. 1.7. And then final take profit will be right here. I know. Shooting for the stars. Sometimes that's what you gotta do. We'll figure out how to take profits. Alright, nice entry. Here. Here. And then rally up. And yeah, now we wait. So take profits. How do you guys think I'm going to figure that out? Wow, you might be asking. First of all, this is good. We haven't even tapped into this gap yet. So, just quickly have a look. Definitely have a take profit right here. It can be blue. Hopefully that's 1-to-1, and I reckon we could even have a take profit here. There we go. That's what it's looking like. Alright, people. Back onto the 5-minute. Is that even 1-to-1, bro? Where's 1-to-1's all the way up here? We definitely want to have that as our like first kind of TP, which could be at this breaker block. Where is it? We don't even put it right here. I'm just gonna keep it there, and then yeah, that's how we're looking. Alright, here we go. We'll see if I reckon it might have been the perfect entry. We'll see. See if I'm wrong. Alright, fucking knew it. Guys, you have all right to say that was shitty. Bro, I was low-key thinking that, like, a shit ton. I'm not even kidding. I was like, dude, why am I entering into longs? This makes sense. Consolidation, bang. Well, that just, whatever. I decided to, just go with it, and I was okay with losing. So we lost $17 today, and it is annoying, but we've improved from this, and it just means, that our bias, was incorrect. Longs was incorrect, and I should have sticked to shorts, because, yeah, we didn't have any manipulation on the hourly. We already filled this gap to the brim, and I guess this was kind of a reaction to it. And also, yeah, I mean, yeah, it just literally, like, is the most textbook trade ever. I got manipulated, and that's okay. When you get manipulated, it is what it is. But this has happened to me a lot of times, and I'm literally the one being a bot and entering, like, I'm literally the average, and that's okay. But yeah, it just means we've got to be a bit more patient, and yeah, we took out literally all the draws of liquidity. What is there here? Fuck all. This is nothing. So even if we wanted to go for longs, there's no draws, and yeah, I was forcing longs. So that's gonna be it for today. Pretty bummed, but also pretty happy. It just shows to go, like, it just goes to show that, like, That's how the market moves. It was very, like, literally, this is how the market moves. Took out low resistance liquidity. I was only saying it to you guys before I entered, like, you know, that's the manipulation. And I don't know, I feel like sometimes I expect manipulation to be just quick up and then down. No, it can be that. And if we waited a bit longer, bang, fill in this gap, rally down. Maybe it continues to rally up, but like most likely down. So see you boys later. I just